Down trees and mudslides. That's what people in Stanislaus County were up against today as rain and wind moved through the area for a second day in a row. KCRA 3's Linda Muma shows us how people were affected by that parade of storms.
Houses, I was closing the windows, and all of a sudden I was on the phone. Just within a minute, they were gone. They were gone. It wasn't even like moved, it was gone.
Laura Ray and her family are trying to make sense of how two greenhouses that once sat side by side in their backyard ended up on two opposite sides of their house.
She called me about the greenhouse, and I'm just like, exactly where is it? And, you know, come down the driveway and see it leaning up against my truck. So I'm just like, wow.
A shocking discovery after their son, who was taking cell phone video of the storm, witnessed whipping winds carry them in two different directions.
He said one went over the house, landed over here on my husband's truck, and this one just somehow went in this direction.
The winds, which reached up to 40 miles per hour, also toppled trees and knocked out power to homes along Orange Blossom and Oakdale. While county crews closed the road to clear downed trees, they discovered one had landed on the roof of this home, while another caused damage to this car.
It was pretty scary.
Had you ever seen anything like that?
No, never. Mm-mm.
The same storm that brought strong winds to this neighborhood also brought heavy rain to other parts of Stanislaus County, causing a small mudslide on Highway 132 east of Waterford. And flooding in Modesto, where people stocked up on sandbags to prevent water from getting into their homes.
Well, it flooded, and then while it was sunny yesterday, it kind of dried up. And then this morning, whoop, it's back in.
While the rain is a welcome sight for some here at Dry Creek, people all over the valley and foothills are hoping for a break in the weather.
It's crazy.
In order to clean up.
It's going to be a couple weekends with a chainsaw.
In Stanislaus County, Linda Muma, KCRA 3 News.
Yeah, a lot of work out there. It took crews near Oakdale about 6 hours to clear all of the debris from the roadway and the trees as well.